Spain's second largest and definitely most cosmopolitan city, and one of the Mediterranean's busiest ports. Barcelona is a dynamic, open Mediterranean city. It's the perfect city to relax, stroll around and enjoy its unique way of life. Barcelona offers so much to the cultural visitor, there is so much to see, something new and interesting awaits around every corner: Gothic architecture, the famous Las Ramblas Avenue, Gaudi's Güell Park and the unfinished La Sagrada Cathedral, the old Raval Quarter, La Ribera, and La Barceloneta, a beachside ravel of corridor-style streets where you can find some fantastic local restaurants and bars, away from the typical tourist area. Getting around Barcelona is easy. You can pretty much walk around the whole city. They also have a daily rent-a-bike system and the metro is very good and simple to use. Barcelona is a city with a beach. Not many of Europe's top city destinations can boast a beach. But Barcelona, situated on the Mediterranean Costa Brava, is one of them. With 4 main beach areas and over 4 kilometers of golden sandy beaches stretching either side of the city, Barcelona provides the perfect mix for a cultural city and beach holiday.